All right. Well, second last particles, technically third last particles. And we have more. So, like, third last particle doesn't mean like third last particle of Japanese, but more so like third last particle that I will be covering in the course, right? But ni, like I mentioned, covers destination. Briefly covered last time that de is at the location, ni is the direction or the destination of the place, right? So ni shows time or destination. Okay. Um, Sometimes people use like he. Let me write it so that you can see he, but we read it right? To talk about the destination as well. But it's up to you which one to use. I know some people say he, like is like more focused on the journey, and not just being the destination. I don't think practically there's not much difference to it. So you can really use ni or doesn't matter. But you can't use it for time. It doesn't work. All right. So going back to this, for example, I go to school. 学校に行きます. Right? I wake up at 7 o'clock. 7時 or 7時に起きます. Wake up 7時に起きます. Right? Now, I can make it pretty complicated now that you know the ni. But let's start with the destination use of ni. I go to I go to school. Let's start with I go to school. 私は学校に行きます。私は学校に行きます。What if I want to say I go to school at 8 a.m. 8 o'clock? Don't have to say 8 a.m. 私は学校に8 o'clock 8時に行きます。Very nice. What if I want to say, and you might be like, oh, whoa, you can use ni twice? Yes, you can. Nobody said no. You can also change it to a if you want, but I don't know. I use ni more often. 私は学校に8時に行きます. Very good. What if I want to say, I wake up at 7 o'clock? 私は7時 or 7時に wake up 起きます. Very nice. 私は7時に起きます. If you want to say like around 7 o'clock, for example, instead of saying at the dot, I wake up around 7 o'clock, you can instead add this phrase called goro. Goro. And then you don't need ni. That's a tricky part. When you use goro, do not use ni. Okay? So, 私は7時頃起きます. Then, how would you say, I sleep around 10? 私は10時頃 sleep 寝ます。私は10時頃寝ます。Good work. What if I want to say I eat dinner at home around 5 o'clock? 私はYou can go in that order. 夜ご飯をうちで around 5時頃 eat 食べます。Long sentence. But once again, you can switch around the middle of it. So you can say 私はうちで5時頃夜ご飯を食べます。Fine. 私は は夜ご飯を5時頃うちで食べます。Fine. No problem. Alright? Let's do a longer sentence again. What if I want to say, I watch movie. Sorry. We watch movie at the theater at 8 o'clock. 私たちは映画館で8 o'clock let me scroll down. There you go. 8時に watch 見ます。私たちは映画を映画館で8時に見ます。Very good. I just realized I said, oh, let's do the destination ni, and I kept going with the time. My bad. What if I want to say, I come home? I come back home at 9. 私はうちに9時に come back 帰ります。私はうちに9時に帰ります。Make sense? Very nice. Now, another particle that I briefly want to mention. We did ni and e today. The last one, to, with. It sometimes means end. So if I, for example, want to say I buy we did the vegetables. So I buy tomatoes. Sorry, I'm not using article. I buy tomato and cucumber at the supermarket. Supermarket in Japanese is supermarketto, but because it's long, we usually just say super. Right? And then buy, like that. Buy as a verb. 買います. So I can say, 私はトマトときゅうりをスーパーで買います。For example, right? 私はトマトときゅうりをスーパーで買います。That kind of use of and, you can use to. You can also do to say with someone. So for example, I eat dinner with my family. 私は my family. 私の family. 家族と夜ご飯 dinner を eat 食べます。私は私の家族と夜ご飯を食べます。What if I want to say I drink coffee at a cafe with my friends? 私は友達とwrong 漢字友達とカフェでコーヒーを drink 飲みます。Like that. Make sense? 私は友達とカフェでコーヒーを飲みます。I hope that makes sense. Alright? So that's all the particles, and this is as long as the sentence gets for now. Alright? Well done today. Good job.